another Tarte product. This one is the 3 clay palettes, literally for the price of 1. So let's look at them. These are the colors, but let's look at them in person. Okay, you know my obsession by now with Tarte is they're real, and I love them. I have been wearing them and working them forever. So I'm super excited about these. I already have literally everything that's in TikTok Shop. So why not add something else? Okay, so this is going to be the first palette, and this is the Romantic Roses. So this is going to be like your rose-colored blush, highlighter, and bronzer. So that's rose gold, rose luster, and rose bronze. So we'll try them. And they are going to be a powder, not a cream. They have their sculpting cream sticks that we've tried. So those are those 3 colors. So pretty. And then the second one is the Sunkissed Showstoppers. It's going to be warm gold, matte coral, and warm deep bronze. So let's put those on this hand. Or we'll put them on this wrist. Okay, this is going to be warm deep bronze. This is the coral. Let's see. And then this is going to be the highlighter. So those are pretty. Those are these. I don't know why my wrist doesn't turn all the way. Am I the only one? And my hair is frizzy. Okay, and the last one is Everyday Essentials. It's going to be champagne, pink, luster, and soft bronze. Okay, let's just take a minute to look at those shine. Okay, gorgeous. I'm trying to see what finger I haven't used. Okay. This pinky. So this is going to be the bronze. We'll put her right there. And then we'll do the blush. Try not to mix the colors. Okay, that is gorgeous. So that's the blush, and that is the highlighter. I mean the bronze. Okay, now I think I just have my, oh, I have this thumb. Put that one up here. Okay, it's gonna be that highlighter. Okay, I'm a mess. So these 3 for the price of 1. You can shop them right here. And stay tuned for me trying these on my face and not just my hands.